Hello, very good day to you. There is going to be quite a changeable, if not autumnal feel to the weather this week, and we're going to start to see that change as we go through today. Already, yes, it was a bright start across southern southeastern parts, but we have seen cloud pushing in from the west through this morning, and with that then plenty of rain has started to make its way across parts of Northern Ireland into western Scotland, and we're starting to see some rain in the far west of England and Wales as well. That's because of a frontal system that is pushing its way eastwards and will continue to do so as we go through today, so many northern and western parts turning pretty wet for a time. In the east-southeast, there's still some brightness as we go into the afternoon, and here we're going to have the highest temperatures, still warm, getting to highs of around 25 or 26 Celsius, a few degrees fresher than this further west, and where we have the cloud, the rain and some strong winds, it is going to feel markedly fresher than this. But as we go through this evening, that cloud, that rain across northern western parts will continue its progress eastwards. So although it will be a dry end to the day in the southeast, it is going to turn wet here overnight, and the rain could be a little bit heavy at times through the early hours of tomorrow morning. Otherwise, some clear spells following in behind. Notice clear spells across parts of the Midlands, southwest England, Northern Ireland. All the time though, there will also be some showery bursts, particularly across parts of Scotland, but even elsewhere, some showery bursts are quite possible. Temperatures won't drop a huge amount because of the blustery conditions many of us will have. Particularly in the southeast, they're going to hold up highest, some places only dropping to lows of around 17 or 18 Celsius. So a bit of a cloudy, damp start across parts of the southeast first thing tomorrow morning because of that front that will still be lingering here, but that is going to clear away, and then behind it, plenty of showers and some blustery winds. So those showers should rattle through quite quickly if you get any, but they could be quite heavy, particularly across parts of Scotland and towards northwestern parts of Northern Ireland and England as well. In between the showers, there will be some sunny spells, but a bit of a fresher feel to things compared to of late, and especially when you factor in those brisk winds, it's not going to feel much like summer. It'll feel more like autumn. Temperatures only getting to highs of around 23 towards the southeast and mid-teens at best across some parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. Later on, as we go through the rest of this week, there's more changeable, unsettled weather to come, particularly towards the northwest on Wednesday into Thursday. That's when we could see the remnants of what was Hurricane Ernesto, bringing some very wet and windy weather for a time. Otherwise, there is still more unsettled weather to come, and there will be some strong winds pushing through, and that will add to the relatively cool feel. So yes, not really feeling much like the end of summer. If you want to know a bit more about what we can expect through the rest of this week, do head to our YouTube channel later on this afternoon when Aidan will have a more in-depth outlook. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.